Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today my topic is daycare child versus grandma care child. So I want to connect with everyone globally, so I'm using English as a language. So first I would like to tell you about the daycare benefits. If you are sending your kid to a daycare, he or she will have a great teaching environment which helps a child to learn and adopt good listening and writing skills. Apart from this, he will have healthy recreational activities and communicate with different children who have different backgrounds. In this way, a kid will healthily follow the patterns to how to manage which kind of friend he or she will have in future, the kind of mental capabilities they have, and the kind of things which match with them. So it will help them to follow their dreams and whatever they want to pursue in their future. It make them a good person indeed. So other thing is punctuality, cleanliness and friendship. Punctuality means that they will go to their daycare daily and they will adopt cleaning skills, and also kind of friendship skills they will learn from it. Spending time more on beneficial activities. They will have more time on activities which will help them to learn apart from screen time, which is very healthy for them. Second part is disadvantages of a daycare child. If you are sending your child to daycare and the teachers are not well mannered and they are ill mannered, so they will suffer child abuse. Child may become arrogant if a teacher, daycare, nursing lady slaps him and misbehave with him. On other way, he or she may refuse to eat healthy food if he sees daycare fellows eating junk snacks and drinks. Apart from this, may become lethargic if he does not get much care and attention. Another point is he may become lean and weak if minor child plays all day long and no one cares about his lunch. And the kids may start ignoring you, means they will start ignoring you. They will ignore their parents as a result. So I hope these points will catch you more better about the benefits and the disadvantages of daycare. So inshallah next time I will discuss about the benefits of a grandma care child, or some misadvantages or disadvantages they will suffer. So please watch my channel. It's all about new and amazing things and knowledges. So I will hope you like my channel. Please subscribe. Creative Buzz Mom.
Creative Mouse Mom, please watch.